again. Today we're going to take a look at my vehicle loadout as far as tools, recovery gear, and just general roadside assistance. More specifically, what I carry that gear in. What you see here is gear from SOE, Special Operations Equipment, SOE Tactical Gear.com. Go check them out. But I'm using one of their clothing bags to carry some recovery gear in, one of their tool bags for tools. And I've got two of their tool pods. One's got some tire repair stuff, and the other one's just got shit to keep shit together, tape, tie wraps, some clamps, that sort of thing. So I'm going to readjust the camera so you can get a little bit of a closer look at this, and we'll go over what we got. Alright guys, here we are a little bit closer to this stuff. I guess we'll just start with what's closest, and that's the tool pods. These I believe are about 12 inches in length, about 3 inches wide there. And you probably got about 3 inches of depth in there, so you can hold a decent amount of tools, sockets, anything really you want to carry in here. This one happened to be multicam on the back side. And in here, as you can see, I've got tire repair stuff, air pressure gauge, got a Sharpie for marking the puncture area, and then just a larger tire pressure gauge. I actually like this one a little bit better because I can actually attach this and then reset it from here and see what my pressure is before and after. So that all goes into one pouch here. I might add a few more things. I got a few more things I want to get for my tire repair kit, but for now it's kind of nice just to keep it all in one tool pod. That way when I bust out the tool bag, I can just pull this out knowing that's where all my tire repair stuff is, and that it's multicam. Say that because the back of this one is Coyote. I originally ordered two multicam, but they're out of multicam, so John hooked me up with a Coyote one just to get my order out. This one, as I said, has just got stuff in there to hold stuff together. So I've got a couple rolls of electrical tape, a couple metal clamps, different sizes, and just a bundle of zip ties. I'll probably end up putting in here like a hank of paracord, maybe a small roll of duct tape, and then just add to some of the smaller brackets and stuff that I carry in there. But those go into tool pods. Now these just dump right into my tool bag. SOE tool bags have been around for a while. They've been selling them for a while. The design mimics the old school military tool bags. John just takes it to the next level with the ones he builds. A little bit larger than the old school ones, but built a lot better. So on the inside, you've got Velcro line on both sides, so you can actually attach Velcro back pouches, any of that sort of thing, if you have those. But pretty much all I've got in here is tools, as you can see. Got a big roll of duct tape, and then just a bunch of hand tools that sit there in the bottom. And then I just throw the tool pods right in there and zip it up. You've also got a slip pocket on the outside here, as well as a full-length zippered pocket to put some other stuff, maybe some smaller items that are more flat. Same on this side, another slip pocket, as well as a full-length zippered pocket to access stuff. And then you got a Velcro spot on each side to put your favorite patch, or if you want to label what's in the tool bag. That's for the tools. This is a clothing bag that they make. They also make a large tool bag, which I could use in place of this, but I've had this clothing bag for, gosh, probably 5-8 years now. And inside this thing, all I've got, this is a to help gain entry to vehicles. It helps pry the door open. It's a pump wedge. So if you're doing any kind of roadside assistance and somebody's locked their keys in their car, this is one of the tools of the trade. Work gloves, set of emergency flares, jumper cables. Really don't use those that whole lot anymore since I have a jump pack. This is a recovery strap. Then this is just a different style recovery strap. This one's got actual metal hooks on the end of it, where this one is just the material it's made out of is just looped around on itself on each end. Makes it kind of nice to just slip this over your recovery hooks, or on the back of my truck I've got an actual shackle that I can undo and actually slip this into the shackle and pull somebody out. But that contains mostly just some recovery gear and some other few miscellaneous items. And then when this is all zipped up, it goes inside my deck's storage system that I have in the back of my pickup here. So that stuff just throws in there. Throw the tool bag in here. We're ready to go. Thanks, guys.